Hey friends, if you wish to fix download error 0x80248007 on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So first of all, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Scroll down to troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshooters. Click on run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter and let it run. So this is the first solution. The next solution will be to run Windows Update components. So reset Windows Update components. So it's easy. I have a script for you. Simply copy the entire script and search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator, paste it here and hit enter. It will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will rename the contents of the software distribution and cat root to folders. It will re-register the DLLs. It will reset WinSock, and finally it will restart the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.